What is going on, guys? This is your boy Astrum Sensei and welcome back to creating an action role-playing game using Unreal Engine 4. So in today's video we are going to be adding dodging, and we are going to be this is going to be taking more than one video. So yeah, for now we are going to do a simple dodging animation with a brief time where we won't get hit even if the enemy is hitting us. I think it's a neat way to start our dodging mechanic. So yeah, we're gonna do this basic dodging and then we are gonna improve on it and add more functionality, like, I don't know, a dodging blend space based on, you know, what direction you're dodging to, or yeah, that's like something like that. So yeah, we are gonna get started. But before we do, I wanted to special thank my precious patrons who are supporting this channel and this series. Thank you very much. And I want to say that if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you aren't, please like the video and help it grow, or I don't know, motivate me, I don't know, whatever. So yeah, let us get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is we are gonna go to the project settings and choose an input for our dodging. I think I want to do it with the spacebar, and currently I have jumping on the spacebar, so I want to change that. For jumping, yeah, over here I'm gonna go find jumping, which is the first one for some reason. Yeah, I think it was like set before, so yeah, whatever. On the keyboard part, I want to replace the spacebar with something else, which is, I don't know, the J button or something. Yeah, the J is fine. You know, I don't plan having jumping in my game, and for now, I mean, I might add it later, but for now it's kind of like Dark Souls, there is no jumping. So yeah, you want to go press plus on the action mappings, and I'm gonna call it dodge. And for the button, we are gonna go with the spacebar. And yeah, that's about it here. I'm gonna close this, and then I want to go to the BP base and tell it what to do when we press the dodge button, which is just something simple. I mean, we just add in a what was it called? Yeah, we add in a variable, and which, I don't know, sets the yeah, it sets if we are dodging or not. Then we play the animation, then we have a little delay, then we turn off the variable, and then we put it in the check hit to check if we are dodging before we get hit, and if we are, yeah, we don't get hurt. So yeah, we are gonna start by adding dodge, and then we are gonna create the variable for dodging. I'm gonna call it dodging, and we are gonna set it. Then we want to play an anim montage, or, you know, you can play animation, but I like using the montage. And we are going to choose an animation, which is something we're going to get from mixamo.com. So I'm going to refresh because it's kind of buggy on Firefox. You know, when you minimize it, it becomes very buggy. And then you search for dodge. There's this one, standing dive forward on Maria. Now, originally I wanted to use these actually and add in like one for each direction that you're dodging, using a blend space for the dodging, but yeah, these are not, the in place is not an option here. So yeah, I'm not going to be adding them because I'm not using root motion. But yeah, I think this one's fine for now for testing. Then we can replace it later when we turn this into a game, a full game. So yeah, I've downloaded this and I've put it in the Maria folder, which is, where is it? Yeah, it's over here. Where is it? Yeah, I'm sure it was here. Okay, here it is. I forgot that I renamed it. So yeah, I'm gonna open my Maria folder and I'm gonna go to the animations part and just import it next to the jumping, and the skeleton is Maria. Then we are going to go to our blueprint, and first we are going to create an anim montage you know, in case we want to add sound effects and stuff. You can add the sound effect either here or in the blueprint, but I prefer in the anim montage. Oh, I forgot to create the anim montage. So yeah, right click, create anim montage, and over here, you know, I'm actually gonna use a sound effect. I'm not sure which one though. So yeah, we can add one for the cloth or the armor, you know, dodging, and for the voice acting we can also add a sound effect or a sound cue that has random sound effects, which, you know, plays them randomly. But yeah, for now I think I'm not gonna add anything. I'm gonna get to that later in another video. So here we choose the dodge forward montage and the target is the self. I think that works. And yeah, we want to set dodging to true, and then we are gonna copy this and paste it here, and then we are gonna add a delay. And over here after the delay we set the dodging to be off. For the delay, this is the range where we don't get hit, so I'm gonna make it, I don't know, 0.5 for now. You know, you can promote this to an editable variable and change it however you want, but I don't prefer that. So yeah, I'm just gonna be fine like this. So let us give it a try and see how it looks so far. We go here and we press the dodging and it works. Now there is an issue with this, and that is you can actually dodge when you are standing and not moving. So we can add a condition for is moving. Yeah, let's try it. So over here in the movement graph we have this variable called movement on. No, that's not it. Yeah, okay. I think we can add a branch here for now. And we are gonna get... Okay, I think I got it. So over here, we are gonna, in the movement input, we are gonna promote the axis values for both the forward and the move right to a variable. So yeah, we are gonna promote it to a variable and we are gonna call it forward axis value. And I know this is like only a temporary solution, but currently I kinda don't know what to do. I know, very stupid. But yeah, we set it and we are gonna give it a try. So yeah, we're gonna give the dodging a try like this. So this is gonna be our condition for whether we can dodge or not. For now, we are gonna add both for the sides and the forward, but for now let's just try the forward. So forward axis value, get it, and we are gonna check if it's larger than 0. So yeah, we plug it in the condition, and now you can see that we don't dodge unless we are moving forward. And yeah, it doesn't work for the sides, so we're gonna create another variable based on that. So over here in the axis value, we are gonna promote it to a variable. So why don't we have the option? Yeah, over here, like this. And we are gonna call it right axis value, and just plug it like this. And then over here in the movement area, or in the dodging area, we are gonna be adding a and, or we can add or here, I'm not sure. Yeah, or boolean. Oh, not boolean. Yeah, that's right. Or here, like this, and connect this one here, and we're gonna copy this. But instead of the forward axis, we are gonna get the right axis. So if this or this is greater than 0, we can dodge. So let's give it a try. and see if it works. So right now we can't dodge when we are standing, and if we dodge, we dodge. Now it doesn't continue the dodge unless you are moving, so we are gonna get to that later, but for now, yeah, I think it's fine. There is one more thing we can change, and that is actually, yeah, let's just keep this like it is for now. And we also want to change the play rate to be 1.5 instead of 0. So if you take a look now, it looks a little bit smoother. We also have to add this is ready or just ready, and like this, pressed true only if we are ready. So now we can dodge while attacking, as you can see, and we can dodge. Oh, we can dodge but while dodging. Yeah, I think there is something we need to add. Let me check the combat or the attacking or something else. Let's save it for later. But now, if we dodge while we are being attacked, you can see that we still get hit. So, for example, if we wait for her to attack us, come on, do it more. Yeah, we can still get hit and die. So to fix that, we are gonna go to the check hit part in the hit detection, and over here we have this part where we check if we are blocking, and if we are blocking, we play this normal animation, or sorry, this one. We play, yeah, this, no, this is, yeah, we play the blocking, what was it called? Yeah, particle effect. And we are gonna do something similar, but if we are dodging, we aren't gonna do anything. So yeah, we can do this two ways. Yeah, we're gonna do it the second way. So we are gonna go to the blueprint interface. And over here we have this function where we check if we are blocking. We are gonna rename it to be blocking or dodging. And we're gonna add a new output called dodging with a question mark. And just compile. And in the BP base, you go to the functions area. So no, in the interfaces, there should be that same function. So where is it exactly? I'm not sure. Okay, so for some reason I can't seem to open this. So the way to do that is you can actually just find the blocking part, and if you right click on it and select find references, you can get this part, which is the function for it. Just double click on blocking and you will see that it is there now. And for the dodging, we are just gonna place the same variable we created earlier, and if you hit compile, you can see that, you know, if you go here, where is it? In the check hit, yeah, there is this part where it's now blocking or dodging. And we also want to add in a space for the blocking, or just add in a larger O for the OR so that there is space here. Yeah, much better. And for the dodging here, we are gonna add in a branch. So branch, we check whether we are dodging or not, and if it's true, we are not gonna do anything. We're just gonna dodge and we don't get hit. And if that's false and we do, like if we aren't dodging, then just connect false to check if we are blocking, and if we are blocking, it does the rest, which we've made earlier. And yeah, I think that's it for this video. Let us check and see if it works. Okay, now we dodge. Oh. Yeah, you can see that we don't get hit if we are dodging, but still within the hit range. So come on, hit us, lady. Oops. Okay, we died. What a death. Even without the animation. I think that's some sort of glitch. But if you guys want to check more and give it a try, like to see if it's really working, you can set this duration or delay to be however long you want. For example, I'm gonna make it 2 seconds so that we can see if, you know, yeah, we don't get hurt until the delay ends. So for that, I'm just gonna make it 0.5 seconds. And there is one more thing we want to do. Okay, so for now, I'm just gonna check if we are dodging, and if we are, we don't dodge until we finish dodging, or we just don't dodge. So just over here, just do another branch, and the condition will be dodging. Where is it? Yeah, over here. And of course we are going to clean up this code later so that it's much better and neater, but for now this is fine. And if we are dodging, we don't do anything, and if we aren't dodging, then we continue the rest of it. And I still don't like the way this forward axis value goes. Okay, so I actually tried replacing those, but yeah, that didn't work out too well. So yeah, we just want the character to be like forced to move when the player is dodging. So I think the way I'm gonna do this is I'm just gonna change the walking speed while dodging. So before we play the anime montage, we are gonna change the player's walking speed. So from the character movement, we get it from here, and then set max walk speed, and we are gonna set it to something like much faster, but yeah, very good. So for now, the max walk speed is 300, I think 600 for the running and 900 for the sprinting. So I'm just gonna try 900, and over here we are also gonna try it. So max walk speed 900. Oh, sorry, we just put it back to normal. So yeah, I think this one's going to be based on whether you are running or not. But for now, I'm going to go with 300. And I know the system is like very bad. But yeah, for now, it's going to be good because we want to build it slowly and, you know, over several videos so that it's, you know, not very rushed. Because, you know, when I do something all in one video, it turns out rushed. So it doesn't work. I think I needed to change it after we set dodging to false. So over here, like this. For this one, I'm gonna try something crazy like 10,000 and compile and play so that, you know, we can make sure. Yeah, as you can see, it works. You know, there is a way to make sure that we don't dodge unless we are moving. I just don't remember what it is. Yeah, for now the system's fine. We are gonna improve on this in the next video. So yeah, we are gonna give it one last play and check it out, see if how it works. So if we press play, and this time I'm gonna make it big, and try dodging when the enemy is attacking, we don't get hurt. Oh, I didn't dodge in time. You know, I think this... Where is it? The delay, is it still 2 seconds? No, it's 0.5. So I'm gonna change it to something smaller, like 0.3. And give it a try. Oh, I didn't dodge in time. And if you try it like without this part in the check hit, and you can see that it you know, the chances of you getting hit are much larger. So yeah, I think it all depends on the delay. So yeah, you just you know, configure it by yourself. But yeah, for now the system's fine and I like it. And you know, we might improve on it in another video or maybe even in the next video. I'm gonna try to remember what it was that we need to set other than this, or check other than this, so that you can only stop moving when you are not dodging. Okay guys, so while editing I accidentally found a glitch, and that is we actually don't dodge unless we are moving either forward or right. And yeah, if you are moving left or backwards, we cannot dodge. And the way to fix it is, instead of using the less than 0, we want to use the does not equal, so which is like an exclamation mark next to an equal. And yeah, if the forward axis value does not equal 0 or the right axis value does not equal 0, then it is the condition. So if you compile and hit play and give it a try, you can see that you can dodge while standing, but you can dodge in all the directions. And I think that might be like why it wasn't dodging always. And yeah, that's the way to fix it. So yeah, don't forget to add in this part. Yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed, and I really hope that you subscribe and like the video. And super special thanks to my precious patrons who are supporting this series. If you guys want the project files, make sure that you support this series, and check out the link in my description. And if you don't, that's completely fine. Just watching the series and liking the videos is more than enough. And yeah, if you get stuck in something and need help, make sure to check out the Discord server, where a lot of people, including me, will be available to help you. So yeah, the link in the description. And yeah, take care guys, and bye.